Hey, what's up everyone? This is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude. This car comes in a slate blue Pearlcoat exterior color and a two-tone sky gray black interior color. It has 20,413 miles on it, a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, 9-speed automatic transmission, and this is a one clean CarFax. It's also equipped with ParkView rear backup camera, Apple and Android CarPlay. It has alloy wheels, a 6-speaker sound system, 4-wheel independent suspension, a premium 7-inch LCD screen, Bluetooth wireless connectivity with Uconnect, and remote keyless entry, and so much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more detail. Again, this is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude. Thank you.